Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I was going to do a cool little video on the El Camino, fixing fuel lines and stuff like that, but my mom's car broke down. This is her 2009 Volkswagen Jetta TDI. I rebuilt this probably 3 or 4 years ago. It was totaled in the front end. The whole front end was gone all the way back to the engine. And so I pulled codes on it, and it has a crankshaft position sensor error. Or speed sensor, engine speed sensor error. So I'm gonna try to fix that and we'll see what happens. Lots of guys pull the engine or the transmission. From what I've read, I think I can just pull this whole front end back off, pull everything off up here, and pull the oil filter housing. You get to it right there. I don't know if I have to pull the engine or transmission. The front end has to come off anyways, so might as well just give it a shot. So let's try to pull that front end off, and then we will get on to the rest of it. I'll show you what it does real quick. I've not seen a video on YouTube on how to do this yet, so I just read the forms. But when we go in, turn the key on, that's all she does. She just starts and dies, starts and dies. So let's get this thing pulled out and we'll see what happens. Well, that's not the easiest thing to do, but that sensor is right down in here, and I won't be able to get you guys in there to see it. So all this oil cooler stuff has to come off, and I don't know if that'll mean removing the charge pipe or not. I hope not. But we're gonna drop this filter right here. There's a filter down in there. We'll drop it, drain it. I might have to remove this charge pipe, and I don't know, we'll just have to seal that, all we have to remove. But there is a lot in there. I mean, just a ton. So we got to get all that out of the way so we can get to that. Some people just pull the entire engine out, but I'm not wanting to do that, so although I could. The belt, serpentine belt, is broke right there. Gonna have to fix that. Whew. Things we do for our mothers. So the new part won't be in till Tuesday, so I won't be able to finish it today, but hopefully we can at least get it out and see what's going on. So all right, let's keep going. So I got the sensor out. Here it is. It worked out pretty well. I'll show you guys where it connects into. Back, right, well, let's see, right in that hole, right there is where it connects into. You had to pull the oil filter housing. It's 4 10mm bolts, 2 lines, and an oil pressure sensor connector in the turbo feed line. All that has to be unbolted. I decided to go ahead and pull the front end. It's not very much work to do, and then you're not stuck in here trying to work on all that. There's the oil filter and cooler. I pulled it off. It was pretty easy to do. To get this sensor out was a chore, and let me tell you, that's not for the faint of heart. If you ever need a engine speed sensor, sell your car. If you're not able to do this, I don't know how much this would cost at the dealer, but it would be a fortune. Here's the Allen wrench we made. It's pretty wild. Let's see, it has 1, 2, 3, at least 3 bends in there, although I bent it 5 times to get it right. See, it goes about 3/4 of an inch, an inch and a half, then starts its bend in a U shape. And then it comes back up straight, and that way you can put it in there like that and turn, and it really is a chore to do, but we were able to get it with this. So anyways, I'm sort of stuck till Tuesday when the parts come in. I don't have nothing else I can do on it. And this is just so my mom can have a car. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and we will talk to you next time.